Geometry Cleanup is designed to automatically identify and address common geometry errors within DWG files. Issues like gaps, overshoots, undershoots, and misaligned angles that can quietly accumulate during the drafting process. These small inconsistencies may seem minor, but over time they can impact drawing accuracy, create complications in editing, and cause problems in downstream workflows, such as detailing, documentation, or fabrication. With Geometry Cleanup, AutoCAD 2027 analyzes your drawing and surfaces these problem areas, then suggests targeted fixes to resolve them quickly and precisely. Instead of manually hunting for errors and correcting them one by one, users can rely on intelligent detection to streamline the entire cleanup process. By reducing the time spent on manual rework, Geometry Cleanup helps improve overall drawing quality and boost drafting productivity. Clean, accurate geometry not only makes files easier to manage and edit, but also enhances collaboration across teams and ensures greater reliability when drawings move into review, coordination, or production stages.